2017 Cadillac CTS. I originally had a P1068. I replaced the capacitor and I ended up getting a code for P1065, capacitor not charging. Fuse number 42 and 23 control that control module. Verify the connection on this ground is good. Take it off, clean it, clean the surface for paint, any kind of residue. The same thing should be done on the lower wire on the back side of the capacitor. It goes straight to the frame. Clean it, make sure no paint is there. If you continue having issues, check the resistance between the two first big wires and ground. On the third wire, the output should be roughly around 3.5. If it is not and everything else is good, replace this module. It is located here, mounted on the back side.